Hello everyone. Today I will introduce you to the latest portable charger model from Baseus, which is called Baseus 20000mAh PD PPQD2-20C power bank. This is a portable charger model that is relatively small in size, making it easy to carry around to many places, providing energy support for your phone when there is no power outlet, and also comes with an integrated cable for your phone. And today, let's explore this special portable charger model together. Firstly, looking at the design of the product, it is made of high-quality ABS plastic, a material known for its high durability and good impact resistance. Additionally, the product is equipped with metal details, such as the charging port and ventilation holes to dissipate heat, which helps to increase the product's durability and stability. The product is very compact and lightweight, weighing only 246 grams. The size is extremely small with a length of 115.6 millimeters, width of 71.6 millimeters, and thickness of 24.5 millimeters. The product has an output power of up to 22.5 W, supporting fast charging for most mobile devices as well as other fast charging compatible devices, allowing you to be more proactive in charging your phone. In addition, the product is equipped with 4 charging ports, allowing you to charge up to 4 different mobile devices at the same time. The product also has an integrated digital display screen, which helps users easily check the remaining battery level and charging status of the device. The Baseus 20000mAh PD PPQD2-20C power bank is equipped with a multi-layer safety protection technology, including protection against overloading, overheating, and short-circuiting, which helps protect your device while charging. It uses a lithium polymer battery, which has a longer lifespan and is safer than other types of batteries. Overall, the product has a very sleek design and is compatible with many devices with large battery capacity. It features modern wireless charging technology, making it convenient to carry around when traveling or working.